Today we are rolling out a brand new batch of Christmas countdown calendars. Back for this annual holiday tradition is our favorite friend, Kelly Brown. Okay, we joke about the pressure year after year, and this is year 10?
I think, yeah.
11?
This is 11 years, right?
11.
Yeah,
11.
So it's, yeah.
We joke about the pressure. This year, though, I'm sensing a sort of theme for 2016. It's like activity oriented.
It is. It's kind of like action figure advent calendar because everything has to have a pop or a bang to it. So lots of fun and really inexpensive this year, too, which is great. So really manageable if you want to be on a budget with your advent.
I mean, the cost is shocking, and you can pull these together pretty quickly, which we love.
Absolutely, yeah, within a couple hours for each one.
This first one, after 11 years of doing this, I'll go with the official number 11. I can't believe we haven't done something like this yet.
Because it's so fun.
Kids are going to go crazy for these balloons.
So easy on this one. And you can buy, there is actually a blog online that sells a pre-printed balloon if you want to go super easy. But these are dollar store balloons, 2 packs, so $2 plus the cost of this little Bistro chalk marker.
And it writes pretty good on the balloon.
It really does. It's like paint. What I love about it is when you mess up, you lick your finger and you can wipe it off, or get a paper towel or whatever you want to do if you want to be a little more fancy. But write your numbers on there, and then how fun, stuff some candy in there. I was able to put 3 pieces of pretty big candy in each one of these for my sister's family that has 3 kids. So you can definitely do one of these for your whole family, get those balloons stuffed, blow them up, and then just use paper clips. This looks so cute across the whole scope of a room. I put it up in my living room and it's stretched from one end to the other, and just so happy and fun and so festive too.
And playful enough to put in a child's space, a playroom, a kid's room. Can we pop one?
We have to, I think.
Pop?
Go ahead.
And was writing on the balloon scary, or did you lose any balloons in the process?
You know what, I did lose a couple balloons in transportation, but not any actually in my house. So they're pretty resilient. One thing though, when you use pokey candy, it's more likely to pop. I did find that.
Ready? And there it comes. We all screamed on cue.
And the treats, how fun. And I can imagine like lifting a little kid up to pop those, or popping them and let the kids, it's kind of that piñata feel.
Yes,
so,
well, my Emmy's, 18 months, barely knows what's going on, but if there are balloons in the house,
she would go crazy.
She knows it's something exciting.
Oh, yeah.
So super fun. And just the paper clips are what's holding it to the string?
Absolutely, but you could actually tie them on. You could use a clothespin, which is what we're using, or paper clips, whatever you have that'll just hook them on there. So
I love that.
Really easy.
Kids will love that. Grandkids would love that, right?
Absolutely.
If you come over to grandma's. A smaller scale version of that same idea?
So this one, pretty much the exact same thing, but I used the cherry bomb balloons. So, these again, Walmart, a pack, did the whole thing. It comes with like 50. They're all red. And then a canvas board. I got 2 canvas boards for $7 and basically just used a screwdriver, hammered some holes in there.
Can I show your mechanics?
Absolutely. Let's flip it around because it really is so easy. I did put a couple little paper circles behind, but then use the same Bistro chalk marker to write the numbers on the front. And again,
so
don't get stressed out with the numbers, because if you mess up, you wipe it off and you try again.
In fact, we've been watching Picasso over here, Kelly Brown, just wipe and rewrite.
Yeah, the snow today, of course, did a little washing, so it's so easy and
I gotta pop it again. Where'd my pin go? Come on. I'm not even popping the right numbers, too. This is there it is. Candy shuffles down like a
so fun. It really is fun.
Board.
It makes me excited about it.
I know. Look at us. Kids at heart. Kids at heart. What's this idea?
So this is actually an egg carton, and I love this egg carton. I've looked at egg cartons for years and thought, how can I make it and not make it look cheesy and dumb?
Where do you get an egg carton?
Okay, this is a Costco organic eggs, 24. The great thing about an egg carton is it comes with 24 eggs.
Oh, you just lifted it right out.
Yep. So this is like, if you look at the back here, this is where the eggs fit. So I cut the top off the box. So this is the bottom of the box. We have the top of the box over. The eggs are sitting in here.
Your polite answer to where do you get an egg carton was you buy some eggs.
You buy some eggs.
Thank you. Yeah.
At Costco.
Okay. Thanks.
And organic. So you could definitely do this with a white or like a regular brown egg carton, but I think the clear is so fun.
Perfect.
Basic principle on this, so easy. I just punched some circles. I used a 1 3/4 inch circle punch with another couple.
To cover it up.
To cover it up, yep. There we go. Hot glued the ribbon inside, and boom, you're done.
So the ribbon is nestled in, it's secure.
Yep, you put the treat in, you tie it, and I used a little, you could just tie a knot, but I used a little bead and kind of threaded it through there so it's a little bit of a pull effect, and threads a little easier, but so simple and easy on this one, and inexpensive too.
And we've talked in years past, we're kind of emphasizing the candy factor. You could put in service activities or family activities.
Yep, yeah, story to read, whatever you want to do.
I'm not going to live down the where do you get an egg carton question. I have a feeling.
But I'm sure there's some farms out there
you can buy Chinese cartons without having to order Chinese food. So I'm just saying.
I'm trying to be economical in using what I had.
I didn't know this was a new crafting medium or something that I was.
Okay,
all right.
Yeah.
Super cute.
This is a buy with the eggs in it.
Egg cartons, cute.
Shall we go over here?
Let's walk. What do you have for us?
So the punch box is so fun. This is another action figure. And this one, again, is one that I've seen, but I thought, how do you do this?
Oh my gosh.
Can I just tell you, I love my power tools and I love my Dremel for this
Look
one.
at you. Look at her.
You can definitely use an X-Acto knife and kind of cut these circles out, but I'm going to show you kind of the how-to first here.
Okay.
So we start with the regular box. I used my little Dremel, and it was so easy. If you have a Dremel, stick it in there, carve some circles out. You want to pick a bowl, and I'll show you the inside here, but you want to pick or cut the circles smaller than the bowl that you're going to stick on the inside. So if I show you here, after I cut the circle, I wrapped the box.
After you cut, you wrapped. Okay.
Yep, so I wrapped after I cut, pull the wrapping away. It doesn't have to be perfect, and this is the great thing about tinsel. Tinsel covers everything. So see these cute little perfectly nice, fun circles over here?
Yes.
They looked like this before.
They're crafting Band-Aids.
Yep, exactly. So once you get, I love that.
Hey, you know.
So once you get the circle cut, some tissue paper behind, to the tissue paper, and I'm gonna let you pop that one.
Okay, ready?
To the tissue paper, you're going to hot glue a bowl with a treat in it.
Oh, just like a clear plastic bowl.
Yep,
Okay.
so can you see how the treat's just tucked inside there?
Yes.
So that's gonna be kind of how they punch and grab the treat. These ones aren't numbered, so the kids really could go through here and pop out boxes individually as they wanted to. They might be able to guess what's in there based on the tissue paper, but just really fun, easy. Again, it's another popping action figure.
So the hole, I'm sorry, so you said it is slightly...
So you want the hole to be smaller
than your bowl.
Yeah, let's show you here so it's not
I just want to make sure we're clear. Kids are, again, going to go crazy over this
because
one.
you have to. And this, I did just wrap the front because I want to be able to restuff these.
Okay, I
so
see.
that's kind of the secret there.
Yes.
It's not pretty inside. Let's not judge. But again, it's the inside. So then next year, you could pull these bowls off, refill them, re-put new tissue paper on, and start again.
This is so cute. A punch box calendar.
So fun.
Only Kelly Brown thinks of these things. Okay, one more for us. I love that one. What's this?
This one is kind of like the Chinese lantern piñata, and it's so cute and exciting. Again, it has a secret punch that you don't really know about it, but these are just cups. They're little party cups. You could do this with any cup. You could do it a regular size cup if you wanted, but I think this is a fun factor, and they come in 24 for a couple dollars at lots of craft stores or party stores, so fun. I'm gonna let you pick a number.
Okay.
You're gonna pull it like a little piñata. This one.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, and it just drops out.
Isn't that fun?
This is so cute.
So the secret here, and we'll flip this over and show, we've got, again, the tissue paper, which is easy for the popping and the punching.
Right.
But this is the key here. So to make your little toggle pull, again, I use that same, it's the exact same format as the egg carton. So a circle with two circles punched out, you thread a ribbon, and then when you put your tissue paper in, you cut a little hole and tuck that ribbon through the hole and stick that in. So when we look at it like this,
Yes.
and then they pull.
Kelly, this is so
Not
clever.
fun?
And I love the action, the popping, the punching.
It is fun.
The pulling.
Kind of
Oh my-
adds some excitement.
I
every
know,
day.
it's like you're a Marvel character.
Yeah, there
but
you go.
At Christmas time.
Exactly.
Super fun. You'll be posting instructions on your website?
Absolutely.
Okay, we'll link you over to Kelly Brown's website from our website to make it easy, studio5.ksl.com. And here we can check one big tradition, Studio 5 tradition off our list. Thanks for doing this every year.
Absolutely.
We
It's
love
so
it. We
fun.
look forward to it. We love you. Thank you.